Presenting the OnePlus 55 inches U-Series 4K LED Smart Android TV in the color black. The TV comes in three size variants of 50 inches, 55 inches and 65 inches. With a 4K Ultra HD resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels and 60 Hz of refresh rate, this LED TV produces stunning and highly detailed pictures and gives a lifelike viewing experience. This OnePlus TV sports a bezel-less design and has 95.7% screen-to-body ratio that eliminates all sorts of distractions. The TV is HDR10 and HDR10 Plus certified and comes with a lot of video-enhancing features like Gamma Engine, HLG and MEMC. The TV has a maximum operating distance of 9 feet. The OnePlus TV runs on Android OS and comes equipped with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. It also brings a number of smart features like hands-free voice control with Speak Now, Google Assistant support, OnePlus Connect 2.0, OxygenPlay 2.0, Data Saver Plus, Kids Mode and Game Mode. The TV has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth version 5.0 and Ethernet connectivity and comes with 3 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports. This OnePlus TV comes equipped with a powerful 30-watt speaker setup co-tuned with Dynaudio and Dolby audio for enhanced audio output.